Now you can view, add, or edit your calendar events stored in your Quickbase table from your mobile or tablet device using the Quickbase Scheduler tool. Tap the date on the calendar to view all the events for that particular date. Tap Add Event button to add a new event. Fill in all the required information and hit Save to add a new event record in Quickbase. Tap any event open viewing window. Edit event record as desired and tap Save to save back to Quickbase. With one tap, you can import your schedule natively to your device's Google or iOS's calendar. You will see all your data pre-filled. Choose the reminder option to get a reminder for the event. Hit Save to store the event on your device. Watch more videos in this series to know more about all the plugins. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for free. To learn more, you can visit quickbase.dev or email us at info@arkone.dev.